want to show you real quickly how to find a journal article that's not inside the database where you're searching. Now, most of the time, when you look down the result list, you can tell if the journal article is in there by looking for HTML full text or PDF full text and sometimes linked full text. If you don't see any full text, you can still try to find it using this FindIt button. And if you go ahead and click that, it will take you to the library's catalog. Check up at the top of the screen to make sure that the title is the same one you're looking for, in this case playful Twitter accounts, and you'll also want to check and see what the year and volume were where the article was published, because the link is going to take you to the journal article's actual page. And a lot of times it won't just give you the article, you'll have to go look it up like you would inside a magazine. So I'm going to go ahead and click this now. It will take me to First Monday. This is the journal where it is. And this is their online archives. And I'm going to go down and scroll down to volume 24. Volume 24, numbers 3 and 4. And here is playful Twitter accounts and the socialization of literary institutions. In this case, I've got HTML full text. And in order to save this, you'd probably have to copy and paste it. And that's the final word on this. Sometimes when you use FindIt, you'll go to databases where you get a PDF. Sometimes you'll get a web page. Sometimes you'll get a whole website that you'll have to look through. But that's the process. When you see FindIt, keep clicking through until you find an article somewhere else. If you don't, then you'll get a forum that says, order it from Iliad, and you can watch our other video to learn how to do that process. Happy information hunting!